Welcome to another tutorial in Python. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to draw shapes using Python. So I'm going to open a new file so I get an empty sheet that I could write on. Now for drawing shapes in Python, we make use of the module called Turtle. 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 Okay. This turtle is a Python feature for drawing. It lets us command the turtle to draw all over the screen. We can use many turtle functions which can move the turtle around. Turtle comes from the turtle library, and there are some commonly used commands in turtle. We have the forward for length, backwards for length, right that deals with angle, left deals with angle also. Then we have the pen up once we want the pen to go up, and then we have the pen down. This we'll use as time goes on in our class. So first of all, if we're going to draw, the very first thing we do is to import the turtle library. So there, that's how you import turtle. And basically you could just say t equals turtle dot pen, and then I could go forward to say t dot forward 50. Now I'm going to save this so I can run it. I'll call this draw. All right, so there you see drawing. So let me make alterations to my code, and then I go t dot left, say 60. Now I'm going to tilt the arrow 60 degrees. So let me run that. You see, tilted 60 degrees. So after tilting 60 degrees, what else should I do? I go forward again, t dot forward, and say 100 in units. And then what happens? It moves. So we could basically just keep adding codes to this to draw. So I could just go again and t dot left 60. Okay, so I'm going to have this. Okay, so what happens when I do this? All right, I run it. What happens? So that's how you draw a basic shape using Python. You could decide to draw using an already made code that I have to draw something complex. Now, though, if you keep following this series, you'll be able to learn how I was able to draw this, because we'll talk more about this. But for now, let's just see what this does. I have it coming up. So there you see. So that's how you draw basic shape using Python. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.